In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline View on Trello. If you manage projects in Trello and want a clear picture of when tasks start and finish, the Timeline View is perfect. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to open Timeline, set or adjust due dates, and quickly reschedule work by dragging cards on a calendar-style view. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and hit Enter. From the results, click the official Trello website to open it. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your boards. This ensures you'll see your actual projects and cards rather than a landing page. Once you're in, open the board you want to work with. Choose a board that has the tasks you'd like to schedule or review. At the top of the board, look for the View selector, which appears as a small drop-down near the board name. Click that drop-down to reveal your available views. From the list, select Timeline. This switches your board from the standard column view to a horizontal timeline, where dates run across the top and your cards appear according to their scheduled dates. It's a great way to see workload and deadlines at a glance. Inside Timeline, you can set up due dates and adjust dates for your cards. If a card doesn't have a due date yet, click the card to open its details and add one. If your team uses both start and due dates, you can set those too, so the card spans the right range on the timeline. Keeping dates accurate here helps everyone understand when work begins, when it's due, and how tasks overlap. To place a card on a specific date, return to the timeline and click the card. Then simply drag it to your desired date. As you drag, you'll see the card snap to the calendar, updating its date automatically. This is the fastest way to align tasks with your schedule without opening each card individually. If plans change, rescheduling is just as easy. Click the same card again and drag it to a new spot on the timeline. Your changes update immediately across the board, so lists, filters, and any automations tied to dates stay in sync. Use this whenever priorities shift or deadlines move, and your project view will always reflect the latest plan. That's it. You've opened Trello, switched to Timeline, set dates, and rescheduled tasks with a simple drag. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.